Hey guys, welcome back to another ITworx tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the problem where you have a software installed on your computer, but it doesn't want to show up in your start menu, and it doesn't even want to show up when you type it in on your start search bar. So I'm going to be showing you as well how to take that software and manually add it into your start menu. Alright, so to show you how to do that, I'm going to be using an example software today. I have a software on here called Blender. And basically what's happening is it is installed in my C drive. As you can see, everything's fine. It's all working. If I ran the application, it would start up fine. But the problem I'm having is it doesn't show up when I search for it. It just gives me the install file that's in my downloads. And it also doesn't show up in my startup menu. So the way to get around this problem, all you have to do is find the particular software that you're having this issue with, and find it wherever it's installed. So in most cases, it's usually installed in your C drive, and it would usually be in your programs files. So you want to just search for it. So in this case, I'm using Blender as an example. You want to find the application file. So in this case, it's this one here, the orange one. If I ran that right now, it would open up the software. So that's whatever software you are having this issue with, that's the software you need. And what you want to do, you want to right click that file, and then you just want to go down where it says send to, and then just go to the right and click on desktop create shortcut. And as you'll see, when you do that, it'll take that file and create a shortcut on your desktop. So you can close File Explorer now. And what you can do with this, you can name it whatever you'd like. So in this case, I'll name it just Blender, because you don't want that shortcut. Because basically what we're doing, we're going to be taking this file and we're going to be adding it in File Explorer, and I'll show you that in a second. But basically what's going to happen is when I add that in, it will show up in here, and whatever that's called, that's how it's going to show up in your start menu. So what you have to do, you have to go into your C drive and then go to the top where it says View, and then just click on that, and on the right hand side you'll see it says Hidden Items. You want to just make sure that box is ticked, and once you do that, you'll see there'll be a new file or folder called Program Data. And you just want to go into Program Data, and then you want to go up to Microsoft, and then go down to Windows. In here, you just want to go to your Start menu. There's a folder called Start Menu. Just open that up and open up Programs. And inside here is basically where all your Start menu files are located. So as you can see, I have a whole list here, and these are basically just all the softwares that are in my Start menu. So all you have to simply do is as easy as this. You just have to take that shortcut you created and just drag it into this folder. Now, it will ask you for permissions most likely. Just click yes or continue, and it'll just simply add it in there. And now if I close this down and search for the software in the search bar, I just type in Blender, and as you can see, there it shows up. So if I click on that, it should start up. So it's as simple as that. If you have any questions, do leave in the comments below and I'll try and answer that if I can. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.